Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me tap on it. And here all we have to do is to simply tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's pick the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply just go to the very top of the list and tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty. So it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting from the browser history and ending on saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.